Hello students, a very good morning. And in previous video I explained the laws of exponent and some numeral problems have been solved. So today I will solve some remaining question of exercise 2.1. So let's start. In question number 8 you have to verify each of the following. Verify means you have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. The value of LHS is equal to RHS. So in this question, in question number A is given 5 power A into 5 power minus 5 is equal to 5 power 4 plus minus 5. So you have to verify it. Okay. So LHS from LHS we can write 5 power 4 into 5 power minus 5. Then we will get 5 power 4 plus minus 5. This is very easy question because you know about the laws of exponent. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay, so we have to apply to verify is equal to RHS because this is given for RHS, so it is verified. Okay. Now moving on to next question. Question number B is minus 3 upon 7 to the power minus 5 into minus 3 upon 7 to the power 4 is equal to minus 3 upon 7 to the power minus 5 plus minus 4. So from LHS we can write minus 3 upon 7 into minus 5 into minus 3 upon 7 to the power 4. So here we can write minus 3 upon 7 to the power minus 5 into minus 3 upon 7 to the power 4 is equal to minus 3 upon 7 to the power . Now students, in this question we have to apply this law of exponent. If any negative power, a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. This is the rule. When you have given a negative exponent, then we have to change this negative exponent by this 1 upon a to the power 1. Okay. So in this question we have to also apply. Now we have to write 1 upon minus 3 upon 7 to the power positive 5 into minus, and if a is 1 upon a can be written as 1 upon a power minus 1. Okay, because then if we change the negative sign, then this power will be shifted if numerator, then we will get plus 1 positive exponent. Then we can write 1 upon 3 minus 3 upon 7 to the power minus 4. Now we have to here both base are same, then we can write 1 upon minus 3 upon 7 to the power 5 plus minus 4. Okay, here we can write 1 upon minus 3 upon 7 to the power 5 plus minus 4. Now this question can also be solved by 1 upon, if 1 upon a is given, then we can write a power minus 1. A is equal to, a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. Then if a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a, then 1 upon a is equal to a power minus 1. Okay, so we have to apply this concept in this question. Then here we can write minus 3 upon 7 to the power, here 5 is given as positive, then we can write minus 5, and here we can write minus, and now in this question we have to solve this question by plus into minus. We have to multiply plus into minus, then we will get minus 4. Now we have to apply this formula, a 1 upon a. 1 upon a is equal to a power minus 1. Then we have to apply this concept. We will get minus 3 upon 7 is equal to, here 5 is given as positive, then we can write minus, and here 4 is given negative, then we can write plus 4. Now again we can change this by plus 4 can be write as first exponent, then we have to write minus 5, and minus 3 upon 7 we can write plus minus 5, because 4 plus minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 5, because plus into minus we have to multiply. If we multiply plus into minus, what is the product of plus into minus is equal to minus. So this can be written as this. This can be 4 minus 5 can be written as 4 plus minus 5. Okay. So this is the RHS part. We have to show this. So this is the RHS part and it is verified. Okay students, so pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now students, in this question number 8 we are going to solve question number 8 E part. E part we have to prove that, verify that 13 power minus 3 to the power minus 4 power to the minus 2 is equal to 13 to the power minus 3 multiply minus 2. So this is the last exponent, but you know about this is the last of the exponent, because a power m to the power m is equal to a power m into m. But how can we apply it? How can we verify it? So this is the question, that how can we verify it? So now we have to apply again this concept that a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a is equal to 1 upon a power minus 1. Okay, then 13 power minus 3 to the power minus 2 we can write 13 power minus 3 means 1 upon 13 into 13 into 13, because 1 upon 13 to the power minus 3 we can write 1 upon 13 to the power 3 to the whole power minus 2. Okay, so we can write 13 into 13 into 13 to the whole power minus 2. Now we can again write 13 to the power 3 to the whole power minus 2. Now we can write 1 upon 13. If you change if we can write 1 power 13 to the power minus 2, then how can we write 13 to the power 2? Okay, listen, 1 upon 13 to the power minus 2 means you have to write the reciprocal. So how can we write in this step? 1 upon 13 1 upon 13 to the power 3 can be written as 1 upon 13 to the power 3 into 2. So students, listen carefully. 1 upon 13 to the power 3 to the whole power minus 2 can be written as, if we can write 1 upon 13 to the power 3 to the whole power minus 2, then we can write 1 upon 13 to the power 3 into 2, because if you have to write 1 upon 8 to the power minus 2, then we can write 1 upon 8 to the whole power 2. So students, this is the very new concept, that if you have to write this, then we can write this. Okay, a power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon a square, and if you write 1 upon 8 to the whole power minus 2, then we can write 1 upon 8 to the whole power, and 1 upon a means a, then we can write a power 2. So it means this fraction can be written as 13 to the power 3 into 2, but we know that minus 3 into minus 2, we can write 3 into 2. How can we write? Because listen carefully, minus into minus can be written as plus, minus into minus can be written as plus. So if we can write 3 into 2, what is the value of 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Then minus 3 into minus 2, what is the value of minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to also 6. Also 6, because 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and minus into minus is equal to plus. Then we can write 13. If we can write 3 into 2 is equal to 6, then we can write also minus 3 into minus 2 is also 6. It means 3 into 2 is equal to can be written as minus 3 into minus 2. Okay, so apply this concept in this step. So we can write 3 into 2. We can write 3 into 2 is equal to minus 3 into minus 2. And this is the RHS part. Okay students, now all the given question, all the remaining question are your homework. Now you have to move on with question number 9, which is you have to evaluate. Evaluate means you have to find the value. Evaluate means you have to find the value of the question. Question number A is 7 to the power 0 is into 10 to the power 0. Listen students, I have told in previous video that any non-zero integer to the power 0 is the value of this is always 1. A to the power 0 is equal to 1, where A is, what is A? A is non-zero integer. Non-zero integer means an integer, all the positive and negative integer except 0, because minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is the integer. And non-zero integer means you have to remove 0. That's way. So all the integer is called non-zero integer because 0 is not given. So students, you have to apply this concept in this. Then what is the value of 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1 and 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. It means this the answer of this question is 1. Now in the same way, question number D is 5 power 0 into 6 power 0. 5 power 0 plus 6 power 0 plus 7 power 0 is divided by A power 0 plus B power 0 plus C power 0. So all the value, all the bases, you have to see all the bases. What is the base? 5, here 5 is written, 6 is written, 7 is written, here A, B, C is written, and all the bases are non-zero integer because there is no 0 to the power 0. So this is called non-zero integer. This is called non-zero integer, and what is the value of this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1. It means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, and also it can be 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So this is the answer, and pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. So students, now we have to move on question number 10. We have to find the reciprocal of the following rational number. It means, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal means if you have to write the reciprocal of 5, then we can write 1 upon 5. Okay, so 1 upon 5 is the reciprocal of 5. 1 upon 5 is the reciprocal of 5. And what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 5? 1 upon 5, reciprocal of 1 upon 5 is equal to 5, and reciprocal of 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. So students, we have to find the reciprocal. It means first of all you have to solve this question. After that, when you have get the answer, then write the reciprocal of the answer, and this is the final answer. Okay student, so let's start now. First of all, we have to change the negative power as it is. Listen, 1 upon A to the power minus 1 can be written as A power 1. Okay students, 1 upon A to the power minus 1 can be written as A power 1. So we can write that 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 2, and also we can write if A upon B to the power minus 1. If A upon B to the power minus 1, then we can write B upon A to the power 1. I have told in previous video in the laws of exponent, how can we write A upon B to the power minus 1? a upon b to the power minus 1 can be written as a 1 upon a power b to the power 1, and this can be written as b upon a power 1. Okay students, so we can apply this concept in this step. Then we can write what is the reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 3 to the power 3. Now we can write 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 can be written as 3 into 3, it means 9. So we can write 3 square is equal to 9, and you know that if we change the operator, if we change the divide operator by multiply, then write the reciprocal of this, because you have to study it by this 4 upon 3. If you divide whole number by fraction, then we can write 3 multiply 3 upon 4. So students, you have to also apply this concept. So we can write 3 upon 5 to the power 3. Now 9 into this can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5 into 5. Then we can write 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 upon 5 5 is 5 or 25, 25 5 is 125. Then it can be written as 27 into 9, 9 7 is 63, 9 2 is 18, and 6 243 upon 125. So student, this is not answer. This is not the answer, because in question have to give find the reciprocal of the following. It means when you get the answer, then again you have to write the reciprocal of this. So student, what is the reciprocal of this number? Is reciprocal of this rational number is 243 upon 125 is equal to 125 upon 243, and this is the answer. Now student, we have to move on question number 11. In question number 11 is given that express the following with negative exponent. It means you have to all the question you have to express all the exponent in negative. So student, let's start question number 8. 5 upon 6 to the power 2. So student, we have to apply the concept which is I have told in a previous video, that if 1 upon a is given, a power 1 can be written as 1 upon a power minus 1. It is clear. Then we have to apply this concept in this question. Then we can write 1 upon 5 upon 6 power minus 2. So student, because you know that a power 1 can be written as a power minus 1. Okay, so now 1 upon 5 upon 6 can be written as 6 upon 5. So students, what is the value of this step is 6 upon 5 to the power minus 2, and this is the answer. Okay students, so all the remaining question you have to solve by yourself, and first of all you have to watch all the steps which I have given today, and it is your homework that solve the remaining question of exercise 2.1. So student, this is the work for today, and I hope you all understand which I have told today, and in next video I will explain the next concept. So thank you very much.